issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Glarus to near Monticello to near Lake Somerset, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Stoughton, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, Brodhead, Cottage Grove, Belleville, Deerfield, and New Glarus. This includes the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.